A wonderful time, walking in the winter wonderful. Hi guys, mabilis lang to. Well, I'm EJ Burgos. As you can see, Christmas is just around the corner. You can feel it in the Christmas breeze outside your house and even inside. Well, I'm wearing a jacket and a scarfie to keep me warm. Well, so much for that. Let's get straight to the point. On December 18, 2011, Laguna Shutters Digital Photography Club invites you to join our year-end photoshoot for a cause. Yes, for a cause. Which means, for a cause. Yeah! Well, it will be held in the Vista Consol, Calamba City. Right? All the proceeds of the shoot will be given by Maria, Comfort the Aged, sa mga street children. Okay? Registration will be 12:30 noon time, Philippine time, 300 pesos. Okay? After the shoot, there will be a potluck where you can join and eat together. I will eat you all. Just kidding. And you know me, I'm very kiddingful. Well, it will be served as our Christmas party. And after that, you can also bring worth 50 pesos of gift or exchange gift. Okay? It will be fun. Yeah, so much fun. Woo! Yeah. And I'm almost collapsing now. So, just gotta take off my jacket. Because it's really making me perspirate so much. Oh God. Okay, guys, let me repeat. On December 18, 2011, Laguna Shutters Digital Photography Club, shoot for a cause, the Vista Consol, 300 registration fee, proceeds, bahay ni Maria mapupunta, sa mga street children. After the shoot, salo-salo, Christmas party yun. Bring 50 pesos worth of exchange. 50 pesos? 50 pesos. Okay, see you guys there. I'll be there. Everyone will be there. You will be there. You will be there. Okay? Good shoot yun. Okay? Kapag shoot ka na, nakatulong ka pa sa araw ng Pasko. Yee! Okay, you.